Fish on, guys. Fish on. Jamaican shore fishing. Fishing here, guys. We're back at it again. We're here with one of our subscribers, guys.
Right.
You want to big up? You see me? So we're here. We're gonna head over to that side, guys, and see what we can pick up and see if we can pick up a barra, maybe a jack. No snooks up this side today, guys. Just jacks and barra and maybe a snapper. So let's work on that and see what we can pick up. Stay tuned, guys. Outside. Fishing here, guys. Seeing if I can pick up a barra in the shallows here, or maybe a lizard fish or something. Who knows? Haven't seen nothing yet, guys. Working this coastline to see if I can actually get something. This is the Jamaican shore fishing way, guys. That's what's up. Nothing on the lure this morning, guys. I don't know what's going on, but let's see what's up. We're working it. Shore fishing way, guys. That's what's going on. Yeah, guys. Seeing what we can pick up here this morning. Ooh, I see him running down. Oh, I look along there. But I'm not really interested in that still. I sit else me I look for. I'm Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Barra hunting this morning. Sunday dinner barra hunting, guys. That's what's up. See what we can pick up. Yeah, guys. See if I can get as far out there as possible. Yeah, that's what's up. One barra. Barra this morning, guys. Now get be a long jaw run done, but be a long jaw. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Jamaican shore fishing. We knew you was out here. Come on, we knew you was out here. Lizard fish, guys. That's what's up. Big up yourself. We knew it was here, but we're gonna give it to my subscriber today, guys. We'll give him a fish today. Lizard fish. Eat good? Yo, hula meat? You just want to go down and scale him. That's it. And fry him up. I can't have him still. Oh shit. I fin jick me, yeah, the fin jick me. Go on, man, show him now your back. There you go. Come on, that's what's up, guys. The Jamaican shore fishing way. Lure fishing. That's what's up. I knew there was something out here for me this morning. Just rinse them off, you know? Ropes. Yeah, man, ain't good, man. Yeah, guys. That's what's up. I knew I had to be persistent this morning. Ladies, killing is my game. That's what's up. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna head up on the rocks now and see what we can get on this side, guys. Ooh-wee! We're looking good. See what we can pick up in the deep. The wind is coming this way. Not feeling that wind at all, guys. But we're walking these rocks. See if we can pick something up in these shallows on this side. Let me get a little bit closer. Kind of like the bird's eye view sometimes, guys, because I like to really pay attention to my lure when it's swimming, so I don't get any hitch-ups. So let's try get a little bit further over, getting a better cast. There has to be a barra over here someplace, I'm sure of that. Lots of mullet, I see that, because they're jumping. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Oh, he got off. Making sure fishing these guys. Just got a hook up a while on a barrel. And he got off, guys. Hit it a while ago, guys. I lost a damn fish. I'm gonna drop 2 more clicks on my thingy. I hate that when the fish gets away. Got away from me a while ago, guys. Let's see what's up. Held the barrel a little while ago, guys, and the barrel got away. It is what it is. Alright, guys, we're gonna work the shallow and work it back this way. Okay, guys. Okay, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Working this water. Not getting any pickups yet. Yet, guys. Working this water all the way around, guys. Alright, territorial, guys. So hopefully there's one controlling this territory over here, or just one in general that's in this whole entire cove, and that's not good. Ah, big ball. Small barra. Small barra. You're not what I'm looking for, buddy. Small barra. Baby barra. Not what I'm looking for, buddy. Baby barras. No mama barras. Go over there in that corner, guys. If I don't pick nothing up from that corner over there, then that's it. That's all she wrote for the day. I'll head in. I'm probably going to get rushed by security over here because technically you're not supposed to be on this beach, but let's see what's up. See what we can pick up. We're swimming really good, guys, but I'm not getting the response that I'd normally get.